kicomai.
Miss Wendy here. Thank you for joining me. Are you ready to guess what I am drawing? Today I will be drawing construction machines. First drawing coming right up. Hope you like my drawings. Make sure to like the video if you're having fun. Good job! It's an excavator. E-X-C-A-V-A-T-O-R. Excavator. An excavator is a big machine that helps dig deep holes in the ground. And did you know that some excavators can even rotate all the way around like a big robot? Let's see if you can figure this one out. I bet you figured it out already. Hope you like my drawings. You're a super guesser. It's a bulldozer. B-U-L-L-D-O-Z-E-R. Bulldozer. A bulldozer is a big machine with a strong blade at the front that helps move dirt and rocks to make paths or clear land. And did you know that bulldozers can weigh as much as a small elephant? Another drawing coming up! Tell your parents how well you did. Do you know what this is? You figured it out! It's a tower crane. T-O-W-E-R-C-R-A-N-E. Tower crane. A tower crane is a tall machine that helps build big buildings by lifting heavy stuff high up in the air, and it's so tall that it can sometimes reach as high as 20 stories or more. On to the next drawing. Tell your parents which drawings you guessed correctly. This is a fun one. I am impressed. It's a dump truck. D-U-M-P-T-R-U-C-K. Dump truck. A dump truck is a big vehicle that carries and delivers heavy loads like dirt or rocks, and they can tilt their bed to dump the materials out. Some dump trucks are so strong that they can hold as much as 16 elephants. I wonder what the next drawing will be. Drawing is so relaxing. Make sure to check out our other videos. Fantastic guessing. It's a cement truck. C-E-M-E-N-T-T-R-U-C-K. Cement truck. A cement truck is a big vehicle that carries liquid cement to construction sites to help build roads and buildings. And did you know that the spinning drum on the truck keeps the cement from hardening while it's on the way? Hope you guessed this next drawing. Drawing is so relaxing. Any guesses? Was it that easy? It's a road roller! R-O-A-D-R-O-L-L-E-R. Road roller. A road roller is a big machine that helps flatten and smooth out roads so cars can drive on them easily. And interestingly, they can weigh over 10 tons, making them super strong. I tried to make the drawings challenging, but you guessed them anyway. Remember to click the like button and subscribe to kicomai for more fun videos. Please click on the bell to know when new videos are released.